In this video, we will see how to import CSV coordinates into QGIS as point layer. We have a CSV file of country and capitals with latitude and longitude. There are some other columns like population and capital type. Anyway, we need latitude and longitude column to convert it to a point layer. Let's see how to do it in QGIS. First, click on layer and then add layer. Go to add delimited text layer. Then within the file name, browse your file, click the CSV file and open. Then we will see our file is loaded. Since this is a CSV file, we need to select the CSV. CSV is automatically selected, and then from record and field options you can change some options, but we do not need that right now. And then go to geometry definition. We need to select the point coordinates since we will convert it from latitude and longitude. And in X field, we need to select the longitude field since our field name is already longitude, so it is automatically detected by QGIS. If your CSV has different name for longitude, you need to manually select that. And for Y field, we need to select the latitude, which is automatically selected, and we do not have any Z or M field. Now let's go to the geometry coordinate reference system. The most important thing is we need to select 4326, that is WGS84 coordinate geographic coordinate system, since GPS coordinates use WGS84 coordinate system, so we need to select this one. Then just select add and close. You can see that our point layer is already created. Now let's turn on a base map. Turn on the label. Let's click on show labels. Now the point layer is showing the country name. Let's change it to capital. Right click, go to properties and labels, then select capital city and apply. Okay, now we can see that the name of the capitals are written. If we turn off the base map, we can see. Now we can export save feature as. To save it as a shapefile, we need to select shapefile, and then let's browse the location. Let's write it world capitals. Save. CSV is 42.6. If you want to, you can change this one, and let's click OK. Now the shapefile is exported and loaded to our map. Now it's a permanent layer. Now if we want, we can change the symbology. Thanks for watching.